Let's go. Are we live? Are we live? Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I don't have my coffee, but it's okay. Because the OXC's up. Let's go. It's probably going to give it all back, but I don't even care. I don't even want to hear it. Yeah, so good morning, everyone. So, this is going to be kind of a long live stream. Well, not really. It's going to probably be a couple hours. I wanted to do it before some other people go live so I can go, so I can kind of go watch other people's live stream. But yeah, let's get right into it. So basically, in today's news, in today's live stream, I'm just going to be doing my watch list videos. So we're going to be making videos on the watch list, and then we're going to look at all of your guys' coins too. So let's pull up all of the videos right now, or not videos, but charts, and then that way. Also, we can leave it so if anybody comes in later and wants me to look at a coin that they already looked at, then I can. Oh no, are we cooked? Then I could just bring up the graph. So yeah, so let's get right into it. Good morning. Hi, I would appreciate an update on ALCX. What's up, peace and friendship? How are you? I'll take a look at that for you. Hi, Prison. Hey, Meonalysis. Hope you're also doing good. Yeah, it is. Can you take a look at Cryptocurrency Moon on Arbitrum Nova? Thanks. Yeah, I'll take a look at that for you in a second. Oh wow, we got a first super chat. Sanjeevan, thank you so much for the first super chat. I really appreciate that. You want me to take a look at Spell, GST, BitDAO? Can you look at short term and long? Yes. Short term for Spell and PNG and GST. Yeah, I'll look at short term for you guys, or for you. What's up, Dead Money? How are you? So first of all, thank you so much for the super chat. So these are all watch list videos, with the exception of BitDAO, but I'm gonna make videos while I do them for you. So yeah, so let's get right into it. And SHIBA INU. So after I take a look at these coins for the super chat, I will take a look at all of your guys' coins. Obviously, I do have to prioritize super chat. So yeah. Taking a look at Spell token on the live stream, so it looks like it had a nice move up. Congratulations to the Spell token holders. However, just keep in mind that as long as the macro 236 isn't being hit, then as long as we're not over the macro 236, then there is no bull run and it's still bearish, right? So we're closing up on it, but once we break out, I do assume that we're going to have a really big move up. Keep in mind, as long as we stay over 307, which is the previous target, then you are still looking at the targets on the upside being hit, potentially being hit. But those are the targets on the upside. So you're looking at 3096, and then from there, I would put the 382 as the next area at 2018. Once we get over and stay over 3096, and then once 2018 hits, you are looking at little to no resistance to 203, which does bring you at a cycle high, and keep in mind that is going to be around a 260% pump from the current price. That's pretty much it. Very simple. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, so there's my short term for Spell token. PNG is another one. Oh, PNG, man, I'm sorry, man. PNG is like literally, we talk about it every single time. The fact that whenever it drops below the 236, it just gets a nice pump. And it's done that literally for the last 3 months. So unfortunately, as of right now, there's nothing new with PNG, but I'll take a look at it for you. So taking a look at PNG on the live stream. So we talk about this every single time. Whenever it drops below 23 cents, we do get a nice little recovery bounce that pushes us back into resistance. So we do have resistance at 23 to 30 cents. We've been talking about this for the last 3 months. Once 30 cents breaks, then you are looking at a continuation up. And I want to say that, yeah, so the next target will put you previous wick 618, 786 retracement. So as of right now, nothing's bullish with Pangolin on the short term until we break over and stay over 24 cents. But really what we want to see is getting over 30 cents, and then from there you're looking at 83 to $1.51. And then after that, little to no resistance of previous all-time highs and all-time highs. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And keep in mind, we do still have support at around 18, 19 cents. So worst case scenario, we do get a big capitulation. 17, 18 cents absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to come back down. Not that that's going to happen. Everything's bullish right now. So hopefully we draw a wick back up and get over 30 cents. Keep in mind, we can't come back like we've done for the last 3 months. We could hit 30 cents and then still come back down. So again, if you're trading that, congratulations, because those swings are like huge. But if you're holding long term, just as long as you look at your phone and we're under 30 cents but over 23, it's still consolidating in resistance. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, sorry, dude, Pangolin is like, you're probably so bored right now with Pangolin. It's like, it's draining holding Pangolin because it's been literally the same price for the last 3 months, but also it's been like every single time you think you're going to capitulate and go down to 18 cents, it like wicks back up over 23 cents. So that's pretty crazy. So yeah. Let's see. Oh, Bitcoin's breaking down. Not good. Okay, so you said BitDAO. Is it over 75 cents? Oh, hey, let's go. Congratulations, Sanjeevan. But it's still under the 236. So taking a look at BitDAO for Sanjeevan. So from the high to the low. Yeah, so you can see nothing's bullish until we break 92 cents. That is resistance. Also, Sanjeevan, just keep in mind, it can come all the way back up to $1.27 and still be bearish. So it does need to break $1.27, and I'd say BitDAO to the moon. Keep in mind, if it does come back up here and if we get rejected, as long as it holds the 92 cents 236, then you should hopefully get consolidation and then the retest of the 382, which is $1.27 followed by a breakout. But worst case scenario, if that doesn't hold, then we are going to come back down to these lows. So, no financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you so much for the super chat. I really appreciate it. Let me make sure I'm not recording. No, I'm not recording. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. How's OXT looking? Okay, OXT is not bad. OXT is looking pretty good. On the 1 minute chart. Let's go. This isn't good though. This is not good. This doesn't look good. Whenever this happens, we like fall off the table. Like whenever this happens, we fall off the table. So I feel like we're just gonna do that. But we'll see. We'll see. Honestly, it's okay. Don't feel bad for me. All right, so I always start with your first super chat. Yeah, Sanjeevan, thank you so much. I really do appreciate the super chat. Short term for Spell and PNG and GST. So yeah. Oh, GST. You asked for GST. Yeah, so actually GST is another coin I need to make a video on. So taking a look at GST on the live stream. So unfortunately, I think we are still stuck at resistance on the short term. So from the high to the low. Yeah, we are getting smacked. We did smack against the 236. Keep in mind the 236.32 is resistance at 1 cent 80 to 2 cents 70. So as long as we are under these targets, then it is still bearish, and we do have a potential of coming back down to the lows. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with GST until we break the macro 236 at 4 cents 23. So unfortunately, right now GST has a long ways to go. But once we do break these areas, then I do predict that we should get really big moves up. From the 236, it would be the 382, which I think we actually smacked against last time. So yeah, we did smack against it. So if you had your sell orders at that point at these levels, then congratulations. Hopefully you didn't buy back in until these lows. Again, you really don't know if it's actually going to come back down all the way to the low. But you know, whoever took profits, congratulations. And if you're trading it, just remember that, you know, once we break 1 cent 89 And once we break 2 cents 70, then we are over short-term resistance, and we are going to make our way to retest 4 cents 23, which is the 236 from the high to the low. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, BTC dominance starting to fall off the cliff. I don't know, is it? Angel. Hey. Oh, it is. Hey, whoa. Oh, did it start? Are we started? Hey, this is huge. Hey, guys. I think we're, I think alt season's like, I think we have literally, how long? Hey, good pointing that out, Aloe. I appreciate that. Yeah, I didn't even look at that. We have like 2 months to get out. We have 2 to 3 months to get out. So what is that? November, so December, January, February. Yeah, man, I am so done. I'm really hoping this thing just falls off the table and we can just cash out. Let's see, SHIBA INU. Yes, XLM, my coin, XLM, XLM. You know, I remember my friend, he, like my old friend, he was like, hey, you know, you should, don't ever buy, like, don't ever sell. Like, I'm holding, basically for a long time. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? I'm going to do that. Like, I think that's a smart play to do. So XLM to like, I'll sell it like $100. And I know that's unrealistic, but I think I'll just hold it forever. Forever. Let's see. So take a look at SHIBA INU. So nothing's bullish with SHIBA INU. We are still consolidating in resistance. So as long as we are over 9.042, then you are looking at a possible breakout of 9.049. Once that breaks, we're going to go retest this previous wick at around 8.01. And once that breaks, I'd say to the moon. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple, very short. You know, we are in resistance right now, so nothing too exciting. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Octavio, I'll take a look at GFI. I actually need to make a video on that too. Goldfinch. Caspa Binance listing coming in 30 days or less. I'll take a look at Caspa for you. I think it's still at 50 cents though. Nate Bra wants DIA, Luby. Wi-Fi is good Ponzi. Yeah, we don't do Ponzi's here. Look at XLM. Yeah, XLM's flying, dude. XLM's going to the moon. XLM! XLM! Damn, 54 cents. I should just sell it. No, I'm not going to sell it. I actually don't even have any. I have like one coin. So I made 54 cents. Yeah, dude, so this is awesome. Congratulations to XLM. So from the high to the low, you can see we actually broke through the 786. Come on. Come on. Yeah, here you go. Cat wants to be a part of the stream. So, yeah, we broke the 786. Oh, man. Now he's like, oh, my gosh. There's like such a glare on my screen right now. So, 50 cents. Sorry, the 786 broke. So we broke 48 cents. And, yeah, once, we're on our way to 80 cents. That's pretty much it. And then I'm looking at $3 and up to $3.61 for XLM. Not financial advice, just my opinion. What's up? What's up, Roy's Army? How are you? Welcome to the live stream. Bro, I think in 2 months is when alts just get started. They won't stop pumping, but that's just my opinion. Yeah, I mean, it's good to have a little bit left just in case, you know, your coin goes to the moon. So I don't, you know, I think like for people that are in crypto, it's good to at least have some money in crypto left over, just in case, you know, your coin goes up. So it's good to, yeah, it's good to have that. Oh no, we're going back down. All right, is it done? Is the bull run over? Is my OXT going back down? Oh no, it's not. Okay, it's not bad. Let's see. Alu doing things. These are all Ponzi, bruv. What are you talking? No, they're not. There's all actual use case. If you think like you're in crypto because of Ponzi, that's just like, I'm not like judging you, but like that's like you're actively saying that, oh, I'm gonna take part in a Ponzi scheme. You know what I mean? You're saying like, oh, it's a Ponzi scheme, and I'm gonna actively take part of a Ponzi to take advantage of other people, instead of actually looking at these projects and seeing like what they're doing. Like for example, OXT is a VPN, or XLM and XRP are trying to be, you know, they're processors. Like they're, you know, they're trying to, you know, become native currency or whatever. Or like BAT is a Brave browser. Like these things actually have utility. They actually have projects, and they actually have, like, you know, BAT has a Brave browser. OXT has a VPN. XLM has a payment processor. Bitcoin is a form of payment. So I don't think that, I disagree. We're just gonna have to disagree on that. I don't think that this is a Ponzi scheme, but that's just my opinion. Let me know let me know if anybody else needs me to look at any other coins. I think GFI. I think I was on GFI. Where is that? Goldfinch. Yeah. So nothing's actually new with Goldfinch, unfortunately. And then Detroit Diesel. I'll take a look at Illuvium for you. Taking a look at Goldfinch on the live stream. So unfortunately, nothing has changed from the last time that we looked at it. So from the high to the low in the short term, we do have resistance at around $1.50 to $2. So this has, so nothing has really changed from the last time we looked at it. Once this does break, then I do put the next target on the macro, retesting this previous high, and then you're looking at, yeah, you're looking, which is actually the 786. So once we break the 786, I do put the next area of resistance at the previous high at around $15. So again, nothing has changed. We are trying to pop and get into resistance at this point. Once that happens, then you know, once $2.03 breaks, I do put the next target up to $6.17. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, let's see. Illuvium, Pepe 2.0. Can you look at XCN and SpareX? Yes. Can you look at Jasmine, please? Yes. So Illuvium, let's look at Illuvium. Taking a look at Illuvium. Yeah, so it's, unfortunately, it's all the way down at the lows. So it also made a lower low here. So nothing's bullish with Illuvium until we break 78 cents. And then once we break over and stay over $1.44, then I put Illuvium's bull run started, and we're going to the moon. But very key points that we need to know for Illuvium is $79 and then $145. Always keep in mind that it can come to either of these targets and still go back down, and we could get stuck at resistance at these points, and it could still be bearish. So bearish under 79.56, no bull run until we break over and stay over $1.45. Sorry, 145. Keep in mind that there is no more support for Illuvium, so I would just put the next area of support at this previous low. So in case we do come down, we need to hold $30. So pretty much it for Illuvium. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's look at Pepe 2.0. How is that doing, Pepe 2.0? Are you still in it? Let's see from the last time we looked at it. Oh yeah, so like nothing has changed. So we broke resistance, we came down, we retested the 236, which is 7.034, and then now we got a nice little bounce. I do put the next area at 7.043, and then once that breaks, obviously this is a gamble coin, so I'm just going to put it at 6.028 up to 6.028, and you have to decide at what point you want to sell. That is around a 6x, which does still put the market cap around $100 million, 650%. So let's just say 120 million, whatever the math ends up being. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing new, nothing exciting. Once we break 7.043, then this thing's going to go absolutely parabolic. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Oh, are we getting a really big Bitcoin breakdown? Oh, we are. Damn, Bitcoin is breaking down. What's happening with OXT? Is it going down? Oh no. Is it over? Oh, see, I knew it. I called it. You remember? I was like, hey, literally, I was like, oh, this looks like, this doesn't look good. Whenever OXT does this, it's topped out. Bro, come on. It's okay, though. It's okay. Let's see. I mean, obviously, we're going to get some sort of retracement, right? Obviously, we're going to get some sort of red candle, because this thing is like, look at the RSI on Bitcoin. guys, look at this. There's like, oh, we're about to break down below the moving average. Red alert. This is not good. Guys, buckle up because we might go down. Oh yeah, we might go down, guys, because look, like literally the moving average is about to be broken. Unless something like this happens again where we actually bounce from it. But that's not looking good at all. Oh man, I should have sold. No, I shouldn't have sold, obviously. Come on. 97, wow. Hold on, I gotta look at my OXT. Give me a second, because, you know, for some reason, whenever Bitcoin drops, it goes down really hard. And then whenever it goes up, are we back? No, we're not back. Yeah, this is the big capitulation maybe, but what did I show you guys? Yeah, I showed you guys the RSI though, so not good when the RSI on the daily is like all the way in the green. But we've been in the green since November 9th, so it's been literally 3 weeks, right? 9th, almost 3 weeks, so 2.5 weeks, where the RSI has been like in the green. So obviously we are going to get some sort of pullback, right? Whether we're here, like even here, you know, we went up in the green, and then how long did it last? February 28th. So let's just say March 1st to March 13th. So yeah, 2 weeks, and then we had a correction. You know, if it's gonna do the same thing, then the correction is gonna be around 29%, which as of today, and I'm not saying that's gonna happen necessarily, but I'm looking at it for me right now, just so I know. Yeah, so like 70K Bitcoin. So like theoretically, we're gonna get something like this where we come back down and then shoot up to, you know, whatever it's gonna be at that point. But that is gonna reset the RSI, which is what we want. And then what we want is one more push up, right? But who knows? We might come back. I mean, it's not like it's over right now. So, I mean, it looks like it's falling off the table, but I don't think it's over yet. How's XLM looking? Yeah, XLM's looking pretty good. Alrighty, so let's Jasmine, hey, are you still here? And then Cactus Perkins, are you still here? Let me know if you guys are still here. Sorry, I got distracted with looking at my coin go to zero. Pepe as well. Yeah, I saw Pepe 2.0. I'm thinking about putting 1K on Pepe on Robinhood. It's tanking right now and need a price to, yeah, okay, so let's look at Jasmine really quick. Oh wait, is Jasmine part of my, it is part of my, so I need to make a video on it actually, so, dang. Wow, Jasmine just pumped huge. Taking a look at Jasmine on the live stream, again, congratulations to the Jasmine Moon Boys, because it looks like you look like you're getting a huge pump right now. So from the high to the low, keep in mind that the next target, as long as we stay over the 382, which is 1 cent 70, which is what we've been talking about for the last few months. Actually, we've been talking about it from earlier this year. Next target is the 0.5 at around 3 cents 11, and then you're looking at the 618 at 5 cents and little to no resistance to 12 cents. So that's pretty much it. Very simple, because Jasmine is macro bullish right now because it is over its 382. So as long as it stays over 1 cent 70, you are looking at 3 cents, 5 cents 50, and then 12 cents. That's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. If it at any point, if it does break below 1 cent 70, keep in mind that we are probably going to go back down and there's going to be a bigger capitulation down. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty. Got 26 billion Dogelon Mars coins. I'm all in. What's it doing? I mean, is it still down though? It's actually a bounce, so it's not. It looks like it did bounce from the moving average, so not bad. Oh no, Bitcoin's like falling off the table right now. That's not good. Now BTC just broke down. Oh, Pepe. You need me to do Pepe. Taking a look at Pepe. taking a look at Pepe for Roy's army. So just keep in mind with Pepe, as long as we stay over, we need to stay over the 382 at around 4016. Otherwise, we are going to have a bigger capitulation down. So just keep in mind that's, you know, very crucial area of support that it absolutely needs to hold. And then with Pepe, as long as we're over, as long as we're over that level, then you are looking at little to no resistance to 4034. So keep in mind that is around a 66% pump from the current price. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Yeah, Dogecoin looks like it's getting a, oh yeah, it looks like it's dumping down. I mean, is Bitcoin having a really big pivot? Oh, no, it's back. Look, we're back, right? Are we back? Oh, no, we're not back. Let's see. Just finished my run. Glad to see you're online. Always listening. Thanks for your lightning. What's up, Carla? How are you doing? Let's see. Got 20. Oh, I guess I could do Dogelon Mars. So, taking a look at Dogelon Mars on the live stream. So, you can see we actually held 6017 as a crucial area of support. We are also bouncing on the 200-day moving average. So far so good, but at any point if we do break below, and if we do break below 6017, then we are probably going to get a bigger capitulation down. That's going to put us back at these lows. However, now as bearish as that is, it is actually bullish, because as long as we stay over 6017, then our next targets on the way up is going to be 6037 to 6004, and then once that breaks, I'd say Dogelon Mars to the moon. So Dogelon Mars to Mars. Keep in mind that is around 100% from the current price, and then little to no resistance for the next target at around 600% from the current price. So no financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, ALCX and Bohm, yeah, and then I'll do Dogecoin for you, Jonas, because I need to make a video on that anyway, and we can make it on the live stream. Alchemex. Taking a look at Alchemex. Oh, I remember this coin. I actually really liked this coin. I was gonna buy it on Gemini, and then they listed on Coinbase too. So ALCX, nothing's bullish with ALCX until we break the 236. That is around $25. Keep in mind the next area of support is $47. So again, bearish under 25, no bull run until we break over and stay over 47. So what that means is that we can come back up just like what we did before and still fall off the table. So we really need to get over 47.23. And again, as long as we're under 25.94, then we're bearish. No more support. The last area of support is these previous lows for ALCX, around $10 to $12. So pretty much it for ALCX, not financial advice. And then you want Bohm. Oh, I have a chart for Bohm. Book of Meme, taking a look at Book of Meme. Yeah, so as of right now, we are still stuck in resistance for Book of Meme. So we have resistance at 2078 to around 1 cent. Right now, we're basically trying to break out. If we do break out, we're looking at 2 cents 80, which as of today is going to be around a 200% pump, which does put the market cap in 1.2 billion though. So keep that in mind. But again, right now it's literally just in resistance, but it looks like it wants to break over the 382, so that is going to put it macro bullish. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and there you go. Very simple. As long as it stays over 2078, then you should be fine. But if 2078 breaks, then we're going back down, unfortunately. We have to hope that these lows hold, otherwise we're looking at a lower low. So very simple. Not financial advice. Damn. What happened? Are we back? Oh man, this is not good. We're bearish. We're bearish again. That's not good. It's okay though. Obviously we are going to get like really big pullbacks That's just what happens when, you know, we all of a sudden think like we're going to the moon. Let's see. Thank you so much. You're absolutely welcome. Algorand. Oh, Algo. Wait, what's that? What's that planet on Star Wars? It's Algeron. No, Alderaan. Alderaan. You want me to look at Alderaan for you? Okay, I'll take a look at Alderaan. I'm playing it safe. I bought $300 worth of Pepe. Yeah, I mean, that's not like, hold on. You bought $300 of Pepe, but where's the RSI? I mean, we're getting a sell-off right now, and usually that, you know, I don't know how long it's going to go. So taking a look at the RSI. So I mean, it's fine, but like you're probably going to have to hold it a lot longer. Or, I mean, it's good you only put in $300 because if the RSI does come down here, which we'll look at it, obviously, because we'll look at it on stream, however low that goes, you want to maybe put in, or dollar cost average down when the RSI is here, because, again, at least you'll be up when it starts going up. So, not financial advice, obviously, just my opinion, but that's what I would do. So, again, it's okay that you bought right now. And there's a lot of good news for Pepe anyway, like it's on Robinhood and Coinbase, so it might actually stay here for a while in the green, and you might just be making those higher highs. So I think you played it fine. Good luck though. So let's see. Can you look at the stock RSI for PNG? Yeah. So for PNG, luckily, see, I have it up already. So the RSI and the stock RSI for PNG. Yeah, so stock RSI is completely reset and RSI is neutral. So unfortunately right now I can't be like, hey guys, we're overbought, right? Over here I was like, hey guys, we're overbought, so we're probably going to get a pullback, right? Same with this. Hey guys, we're probably going to get a pullback. But here we're just waiting to see either it goes up to see if there's going to be a pullback, or if it's going to go down, which is going to basically mark a bottom. So if it goes down and if it marks a bottom, then we know, hey, get ready, because let's see how high this move can take us, right? When the RSI is extremely oversold. So right now it's dead in the center, so nothing really exciting to see there. A lot of leveraging is getting flushed out. XRP, can you look at, XRP, yeah, I could take a look at XRP for you. Hold on, let me just look at my coin really quick. Oh no. Are we back though? Hold on, are we back? I gotta look at my wallet because these moves up like really hit hard. Damn. It's brutal. I mean, what do we expect though? Of course, like we're gonna get some sort of pullback. The RSI's been in the green for like 3 weeks, right? It is what it is, but it's fine. So taking a look at XRP for Habibi, XRP. So yeah, so XRP, it's over at 786 though, that's for sure. So with XRP, we are over $1.31. So as long as it stays over that, we're looking at $1.98 and then $6.61. So XRP to the moon. I hope I think one of my old friends had XRP. Yeah, I have XLM. I hope XLM overtakes XRP one day. but yeah, I mean, I'm rooting for you guys. I hope XRP makes it. But yeah, I mean, realistic target for XRP, like where I would sell it, is probably around $5 to $6. But also, I would start selling it at the 786. So I would have accumulated this entire last 2 years, and I would have sold at $1.31, $2, and then the rest at like $5 and up. So not financial advice, just my opinion. As long as it stays over $1.31, you should be solid. $2 is next, and then you're looking at up to $6.61. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Can you look at VeChain, maybe DGen2? Yeah, sure. I can look at all your guys' coins because that's what I'm here for. I'm here for content. But part of the the price, it all comes with a price. We have to keep looking at OXT because I have to look at it on the minute chart. Oh my gosh, brutal. I literally called it earlier too. I was like, hey, this looks bearish and this looks like we're about to fall off the table. Damn. I was so excited too. Oh my god. Hold on. Let me see if someone else is live right now. So I can. Oh man. Of course. It's like I went live early so that I could go watch the other stream, but whatever. At this point, I'm just going to stay live. So let's take a look at Dogecoin on the live stream. So taking a look at Dogecoin on the live stream. So obviously we're getting some sort of pullback. So we do need to look at areas of resistance and support. So from the high to the low, very simple. As long as we stay over 41 cents, which we said last time, we are looking at little to no resistance to previous all-time high. And then you are looking at Dogecoin up to $4. Congratulations to the Dogecoin Moon Boys, though. You guys are making a killing right now. Keep in mind that nothing has changed from the last time and from last week's video because it's been up here for about a week now. Keep in mind it absolutely needs to stay over 24 to 31 cents. As long as it comes down and stays over this area, then you are looking at a continuation up. At that point, 41 cents needs to break, and then 74 cents. And then from there, it's euphoria and Dogecoin to the moon. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. VeChain. Taking a look at VeChain. Oh, VeChain is doing pretty good. Congratulations to VeChain. Taking a look at VeChain on the live stream for... Oh, I'm not making a video. What am I talking about? So from the high to the low... yeah, so we're actually over the 382, so it's attempting to be bullish. Next area of resistance for VeChain is going to be around 6 cents, followed by 8 cents 80, followed by 14 cents, and then previous all-time high. So we'll look at the targets as they come, but nothing's bullish with VeChain. Actually, no, it's very bullish. As long as it stays over 4 cents 25, VeChain is very, very, very bullish, and it's going to have its bull run. So you really want it to stay over 4 cents 20. If we come down and if this wick ends up closing below this level, then we're probably going to look at it in a couple weeks. It is going to come back down, and we're going to be like, hey, we got stuck at the 3.2 again, right? Where this time we got stuck too, but we actually consolidated a little bit and then we broke down. But this time we full on wicked over, and then we're going to close the candle under. That's bearish. So it really needs to stay over this level. Now financial advice, just my opinion. God, I don't know why I keep saying that. I probably should though, just in case. People are like, crypto meow analysis made me buy VeChain. Like, no, I didn't. If anything, I made you buy OXT. Pump my bags. Pump my bags. Yeah, we're going down. It's not good. Degen. Cactus. Leads you to look at Degen. So let's take a look at Degen. So nothing has changed from the last time we actually looked at Degen. So we said very bullish right now because it's over its 382. It's actually over the 618. So as long as 618 holds, you're looking at retesting and hopefully breaking over 3 cents. Once that breaks, you're looking at 6.5 cents and then up to 53 cents, which we talked about last time. Also keep in mind that this area does coincide with the 236,382. So as long as Degen stays over this box at around 1 cent 30 to 1 cent 70, you are looking at retesting 3 cents and 6 cents 40, and then up to 54 cents. Up to, meaning it could stop at 7 cents, 8 cents, 10 cents. You just have to decide at what point you want to sell. Keep in mind that if we do break below 1 cent 35, then we are probably going to get a bigger capitulation down, and we are going to come back down to the lows. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. Unfortunately. Are we back? Are we dead? No, that's bad. What happened? We were just bullish. There has to be some sort of news that came out that's like super bearish. Let me like Google this. Like what? Russia's like we're gonna nuke or something, right? World news. Oh, dang. War threats, yeah, that's not good. 4 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 5 hours ago, dang. Oh, well, it was a good try. It was a good try. Cactus wants Sparax. You got it, Cactus. See, I'm not popular yet, so like you're lucky that I'm not popular yet, and then I could just look at all your guys' coins. But when I have 100 people in here, which I'm still gonna look at your guys' coins, I'm gonna have to like really sort through all the messages. So taking a look at Sparax for my Cactus Perkins. Does this say my boy Cactus Perkins? Yeah, this kind of looks like not GST, but it looks like Gala. That's what it looks like. Yeah, this actually looks exactly like Gala. Let me see. No, which is the, you know what? It's GST. That's what it looks like. Here. Yeah, no. Where is that coin? Anyway, well, I'm sure we're going to look at it on stream. So it literally looks like another coin. It's doing exactly that, consolidating and then hopefully breaking out. So taking a look at Sparax for Cactus. So we are no longer bearish because we are over the 382. Keep in mind, we need to stay over the 236. So 20 is 83. We need to absolutely stay over around that area. Otherwise, we are going to come back down. As long as we're over that area, you are looking at the next target on the way up being the 382. So once the 382 breaks, I'd say the 0.5, retesting 0.5, and then 618. From there, we'll redraw the targets at that point. But as of right now, the only thing you need to know is that Sparax needs to stay over 20 is 83. If it doesn't, we're coming back down. And as of right now, the next targets are the 382 at 1 cent 50, and then you're looking at retesting 2 cents 47. Bull run over 1 cent and a half. Bearish if it breaks below 208. Right now, it looks like it wants to consolidate in resistance. So keep in mind, it needs to stay over that level. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And thank you. Ooh. Ooh. It was a good try. Let's see the RSI. Yeah, whoa. I guess I'll just wait. All right, so we did Doge. Let's take a look at Shiba. Taking a look at Shiba Inu on the live stream. So nothing has really changed from the last time we looked at the video. Keep in mind with Shiba Inu right now, as of right now, the next target is the 618, and then we're looking at the 786. So that is going to put the price around 403 and then 4049, which as of today is around a 17% to 90% pump from the current price. Keep in mind with Shiba Inu, it absolutely, we need to look at areas of resistance. It absolutely needs to stay over, worst case scenario, the 382. Anything under the 382, we are going to come back down. So 402 absolutely needs to hold. So if we do get a cool down period and we consolidate before we move up, this area absolutely needs to hold. Keep in mind that is still validating this giant uptrend that we're forming that started back in June 2023. That's pretty much it for Shiba Inu. Bullish over 402. Next areas as of right now is 403 and then 4049. Very simple. No financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Okay, so we did Jasmine. Ooh, ApeCoin. Pack it up. We're done. Let's look at the RSI actually. So yeah, if we break, we're about to break below the moving average. I don't know, I don't know if you guys know this, but that is very, that means that kind of that marked the top, but that didn't mark the all-time top, right? Because we don't know if it's going to do this again and go leg up, right? So that's not bullish. It's very bearish. And if it breaks below this average, like every single time, we are going to get a bigger, I mean, I technically did it here and it still went up. So, I mean, it was just very bearish there, or bullish there. So how low can it actually go? right? I guess let's take a look at ApeCoin. Taking a look at ApeCoin on the live stream. So ApeCoin is still over the macro 236, which we've talked about for actually a year now. $1.24 absolutely needs to hold. We're at it right now. As long as it holds, you are looking at retesting 226. However, if it does break below $1.26, sorry, $1.24, $1.26 is what the price is right now, then we are looking at basically coming back down. Nothing's bullish until we break the 236. So it is going to be technically bearish, and we might go all the way back down to the lows. If we manage to stay at $1.24, then you're looking at a continuation up to retesting the 382 at 226. Keep in mind that it can still get rejected at the 382 and come all the way back down too. So I know that's very bearish, but unfortunately when a coin is all the way at its all-time low, these are the targets that we have to work with. So no financial advice. This is just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't go wasting your emotions. Alright, guys, I am going to get some water because my water cup is done and my throat's dry, so give me 1 second. All right. Let's see. Are we back? No, we're not back. So we just did Terra, or sorry, we didn't do Terra. Taking a look at Terra Classic Lunk. So as of right now, nothing's bullish with Lunk until we break. Actually, no, it's not. It's not bearish. We're over the 236. That's good. But nothing is bullish and no bull market for bull run for Luna Classic until we break 3013. It does look like, based on the trajectories, we are headed to that target. That is only around a 17% pump from the current price. So keeping it very simple for Lunk, as long as it stays over 4094, you are looking at a continuation up to 3013. But 3013 absolutely needs to break, and once we break over and stay over that target, then you are looking at the macro bull run starting for Luna Classic. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Ooh, Digibyte's doing pretty good. Ooh. Did we get a nice little bounce? Can you look at ICP? Okay, give me 1 second. Taking a look at ICP. Dude, Jasmine just had a huge, it just literally went straight up. That's crazy. Good for Jasmine community. That's awesome. All right, taking a look at ICP for the gentleman who asked for it. So yeah, I'm not going to use that wick, but from the high to the low when it was listed on Coinbase, we are bullish over $9.05, so we're not bearish anymore. So around 921, we are over the 236. As of right now, little to no resistance, and the next target is the 382 at around $18.71. So I'd say once 1871 breaks, then you're looking at the bull market, the bull run for ICP. How high it's going to go, I don't know, because it's a huge market cap and there's a lot of coins. But then again, that doesn't really matter if it gets contracted, partnered, and if the volume's there. So I'd say that as long as it stays over $9.21, 1871 is in play. Keep in mind we can come all the way back up to 1871 and still be bearish, meaning that we can get rejected. But if once we do break that, then we're looking at bigger moves up for ICP. And that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Velodrome, you got it. Johan Polkanto, you are the best YouTuber in history. Can we do Bitcoin dominance, brother? Seems like alt season's coming. Yeah, so we looked at it earlier. And thank you so much for that compliment. I really appreciate that. That is awesome. BTC dominance is, we actually looked at this. It's at 58% right now. 59, oh no, it's going back up. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance looks like it's about to fall off the table. And we said that last time it took 60 days, right? Yeah, like 53 days. So 53 days from today is going to put us out to like January, February. So, yeah, I mean, if we get this giant move down, then, you know, alt season's going to start. And that is going to put the price, you know, April, like Q1 of 2025. So, so far so good. It does look like it's breaking down though. So a lot of altcoins are probably going to get hit really hard right now, including mine. What's up, Eric? How are you? Look at Near Protocol. You got it. Well, I got to look at Velodrome. I got to look at Near. And then I got to look at Kusama. Yeah. So let's take a look at Velodrome. Taking a look at Velodrome Finance. I'm going to look at the Coinbase chart. So, unfortunately, yeah, we got rejected at the 382. So very simple, and keeping it very simple. It needs to stay over 8 cents 11, otherwise we are going to go back down to the lows. Once it breaks over 11 cents, then we are going to have bigger moves up, and you are looking at little to no resistance, and the next target at that point is going to be 14 cents, 18 cents, 25 cents, and then the previous high at 39 cents. And that's pretty much it for Velodrome Finance. So very simple. The only two targets that you really need to look at are 11 cents, which we're basically trying to break up right now. And when we do break it, then we'll hopefully get a breakout. And then you're looking at 8 cents needing to absolutely hold. So very simple, not financial advice. Let's see. Look at Near Protocol. I will, but I need to look at Digibyte first. Taking a look at Digibyte on the live stream. So congratulations to the Digibyte holder. I feel like last November when we were making videos. Wait, was it last November? February. Why do I feel like it was November? Oh, because we started looking at it in November. Yeah, so last November when I started looking at Digibyte, it looks like we were having a nice move up, and it looks like the same thing's happening this year. So keep in mind that as of right now, we are attempting to break over the 236, which just basically means that we are attempting to not be bearish anymore, because anything under the 236 is considered bearish for crypto. Once we break over and stay over this area, you are looking at retesting the previous high. Sorry, the 382, this previous, which also is the local high, at around 2 cents, like 1 cent 97, 2 cents. So again, what we really want to see right now is a breakout over 1 cent 16, which we're basically at right now. Once that breaks, hopefully consolidation and resistance followed by 2 cents. If we get rejected at the 236, then we are most likely going to come back down to the lows. How low it's going to go, I don't know. It could stop at the 236 from the low to the high. So it could stop at 1 cent, 9 cent, 8 cents, 7 cents, and your guess would be better than mine. So not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alrighty, so let's see. Near Protocol. Taking a look at Near Protocol. Yeah, so Near is doing pretty good. So from the high to the low, we are getting stuck at the 618. Well, actually, we shouldn't get stuck at the 618. So yeah, I would say with Near, I wonder why it's getting stuck at the 618, but yeah. So for XCN, I would say once it breaks 645, little to no resistance to 1070, and then you're looking at up to retesting the all-time high of $20.61. Keep in mind that I know this is a really big move down, but it needs to stay over $2.94. And that is a really, really big move down. But again, I mean, technically on the shorter time frame, as long as that's on the macro time frame, and on the shorter time frame, as long as we stay over $5.17 to $5.63, you are looking at a continuation up to 645, 10, and then 20. So pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and those are my targets for Near Protocol. Can you look at Kusama for me, please? I have an open trade on it. I think it could go to 40.50 because it broke out of trade and long on 5 minute. Any price prediction on XCN? Yeah, Cactus. I actually have XCN. I need to do a video on it, so I'll take a look at that for you. Let me just take a look at OXT really quick. And Bitcoin. Are we back? No, we're not back. Hold on, give me a second. That's going to be like the greatest thing in history if Bitcoin just never breaks 100K. Like, not never, but like if it never like gets over 100K this cycle, because everyone was waiting for like 100K. So we actually did Dojo on Mars. Yeah, so let's take a look at Onyx Coin, right? Oh no, Kusama and then Onyx Coin. Taking a look at Kusama for the gentleman who is trading it. So from the high to the low, you're looking at the next level being $58.82. Once that breaks, Kusama to the moon, little to no resistance to $92, and then from there we just have to take it from there. As far as Kusama goes, as long as it stays over $34, then it is not bearish. And once it breaks 58.82, then Kusama to the moon. Again, right now, very simple target. So I'm assuming you already know because you said you think it could go to, you have an open trade, sell it at 40 to 50. So you already know. If you have your stop loss at $34, that I would say that's pretty solid. With any, unfortunately, with any sort of breakdown. Because if $34 does break down and we do break below it and stay over it, then it is bearish and we're probably going to go back down to the lows. That's pretty much it for Kusama. As of right now, though, it looks like $58 in play, and then you're looking at $92 when it breaks out. So, no financial advice, just my opinion. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Oh, we're moving down, huh? Cactus XCN. Well, I don't know when it's going to break down, but we could take a look at this. Taking a look at XCN on the live stream. So let's take a look at it. It looks like it's having a nice move up. So that's right. This is the coin that looked like. So from the high to the low, we've said many times in many weeks now, nothing's bullish with XCN until we break around 22. So 2022. Once that breaks, you're looking at little to no resistance and retesting the 382. So I want to say bearish under is 2022, and then no bull run until we break 2047. Once that breaks, I'd say XCN to the moon. And as far as support goes, as you can see, and like we've talked about before, XN doesn't have any more support until 201. So with any sort of breakdown, we do need to hold 201, and then all the targets on the upside are valid. Pretty much it. I don't know when it's going to happen, but you know, when it does, these moves are going to be very fast. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. The Closer, what's up, man? How are you? Can you take a look at Tau Bittenser? Yes. I bought at 34. Hey, nice, you're up. Good morning. Can you take a look at CLV? Yeah. What a monster run it had, though. Taking a look at Clover, CLV. So it actually came back up to its 382, and it got rejected again. So, and this is exactly why you guys should have your sell orders in, right? Because if you did, then you theoretically profited from that 14. Excuse me, from that 14-cent wick. So with Clover, very simple. Again, like I always say, as long as it stays over 7 cents 40, then it's not bearish. It needs to absolutely hold over 7 cent 40, and then no bull run until we break 14 cents 40. Once that breaks, little to no resistance to 24 cents. And again, very simple. Those are the targets. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Doing good, but not my trades. LOL. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, I'm more of like a holder. I don't really like trading, but yeah, it is what it is, man. It's tough, especially because you're trying to time the market perfectly, and it's just really hard to do that. Unfortunately. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is like, are we about to break below this? Oh man. Well, I hope the Closer, I hope it works out for you, and I hope you know your trades go well for you. Bittenser. Taking a look at Tau Bittenser. Is this the full graph? No, it isn't. 2023, 2024. 2023. Okay, there we go. So, taking a look at Bittenser for the gentleman who asked for it from the high to the low. Yeah, right now, damn, that'd be crazy, $1,900. So bullish over, let's see if that coincides with any areas of resistance, support, I mean. Yeah, so the 382, I mean, technically, yeah. Yeah, so very, very, very crucial area that it absolutely needs to hold is around $424. As of right now, it looks like $754 is in play. And then once that breaks, you're looking at Bittenser up to $1,941. And that's pretty much it for Bittenser. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Oh wow, we're really going down now. And yeah, that's pretty much it for Bittenser. Let me see if so ApeCoin, Terra, Digibyte, Onyx Coin, Penguin, GST. Oh, Billy. Oh yeah, we gotta do Billy. Taking a look at Billy on the live stream. So let's take a look at this. We have a graph drawn out for Billy. So let's see where it's headed. So with Billy, nothing has changed. You see we came up and we tagged 10 cents resistance and we fell off the table. So for anybody that traded that, congratulations, because that is a really big move up. Keep in mind for Billy, we have little to no resistance back down to 2 cents 90. So with any sort of breakdown, 2 cents 90 absolutely needs to hold. As long as it holds on the macro target, 10 cents, 12 cents 95, and then 23 cents are in play. Once that breaks, you're looking at Billy up to $1.23, which as of today, again, it is a gamble coin. It is around a 30x. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, Shapeshift Fox. XRP went down since we looked at it. Well, I bet. Bitcoin's breaking down. I mean, so did my coin, right? No. OXT, what are you doing? We literally called it too. Ugh, it's okay. That's fine. That's pretty, yeah, that's fine. I'm happy regardless. Bitcoin looks like it wants to push all. Is Bitcoin going to come all, if Bitcoin doesn't hold 97,100, we're cooked. So this is very, very, very crucial for us right now on the live stream. So we're cooked if Bitcoin doesn't stay over 97,119. If it doesn't, we're going back down. But again, we talked about it. The RSI is in the green, and we're literally about to move below the moving average. Look at this. On the RSI, we are literally, where is it at? Yeah, look at this. We are, let me say that. So we're literally about to break below the moving average, which is going to probably take us really, really, really down. But it is what it is, not financial advice. Let's go back on the minute. Yeah, so, oh, are we back? Are we back? Oh, wow, we might be back. Okay, let's go. So what's the next coin? Oh yeah, Shapeshift. Taking a look at Shapeshift Fox on the live stream. So so far so good. It is still over the three. Oh no, it's not over the 382. Sorry, it's over the 236. So as long as it stays over 470, it should be fine. The next area of resistance is going to be the retesting the 382 at around 8 cents 90. So again, not bearish under 4 cents 74, so it absolutely needs to stay over 4 cents 74, otherwise we're coming all the way back down. And then bull market and bull run for Shapeshift Fox once we break around 9 cents, so 8 cents 90. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Two very key targets right now. It's currently consolidating in resistance. Not financial advice, just my opinion, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Swift coin. Oh no. Oh, I thought we were back. What happened? Damn. That's pretty bad. Alright, we gotta look at Swiftcoin. Taking a look at Swiftcoin on the live stream. I think this is the last coin I need to look at. So, and then we can look at the chat. So taking a look at Swiftcoin, again, nothing has really changed from last week's video. As of right now, we are consolidating in resistance. So it absolutely needs to stay over 2031. If it doesn't, we are going to come back down. And like we've said before for the last couple of weeks or months, we have resistance at around 2 cents 30, which we actually tagged before and quickly got bought back up. Once this breaks, once this area of resistance breaks at 2039, you are probably looking at retesting around 2009. And then from there, you're looking at up to 2 cents. I'd say that theoretically the moves are going to be really fast. So yeah, you gotta do what's best for you. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, big breakdown. So needs to hold that. It absolutely needs to hold that. Come on, don't break below that area. Dogecoin's holding 41 cents, so that is not bad. It needs to hold. It absolutely needs to hold 41 cents. Otherwise, we're coming back down to these to this box. SHIBA INU is doing pretty well. Jasmine is doing really good. I think the market knew it was going to be a Bitcoin capitulation. I think the market knew that there was going to be some sort of correction. So all the coins had a nice recovery bounce, including mine. And then it went down, so that's not good. Okay, so let's take a look at, can I take a look at Floki? Yeah. Blue Foster coin. I'll take a look at that in a second. So I think I have a graph for Floki. No, this isn't the right Floki. Oops. Floki. Yeah, taking a look at Floki. What's up, Supco? How are you? What's up, Sopco? What's up, Costco? From the high to the low. Hey. So from the high to the low with Floki, we are over the 618, which is, I think that is going to put us at support, but I'll show you in a second. So as of right now, it looks like 3026 is next, followed by 3001, and then up to 307. So can Floki go up 200x? Absolutely. That does put the market cap around $5 billion. Keep in mind that Floki absolutely needs to stay over. Yeah, I guess I would put this as the support. So Floki needs to stay over 3019 to 3021, and you are going to get a continuation up to 3026, retesting the 786, followed by the previous all-time high 3034, and then up to 3072. Pretty much it for Floki. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Are we back? Nope, we're not back. Render. What is it? Blue Foster? Blue Foster. Taking a look at Blue Foster. Is this the right coin? Yeah, this is a gamble coin. 241,000 market cap, 85,000 liquidity. Are we back? Render. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Taking a look at render. So from the high to the low. Yeah, so we're looking at 618, 786, and then next target previous high at 14 cents. The render needs to absolutely stay over this box, otherwise we are going to come back down to the lows. So I'd say as long as render stays over 633 and 699, our targets are 8, 17, 10, and 14. So that's pretty much it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So what Blue gonna do? I don't know. Was this the right coin? I asked if this was the right coin because there was... I'm assuming this is the right coin. So I'd say little data to work with. I'd say bearish under. I'd say we have resistance at 236.382 at 24 to 57 cents. If at any point, if it breaks below this target, then we are going to probably go back down. We are probably going to capitulate and make a lower low and then start a downtrend forming. But once Blue breaks 57 cents, I'd probably put Blue back up to its all-time high. which as of today is around a, wow, actually at that point, hold on. So we're looking at, yeah, when area of resistance breaks, you're looking at $1.21 and then 240. So we'll start small there because this is a really huge gamble coin. So yeah, resistance at 24 to 57 cents. You're looking at $1.21, 240 next. But if it doesn't get over resistance and if we break down, 9 cents 60 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are probably going to go to zero. Not financial advice, just my opinion. If it pulls back, when can I enter super? DCA into super? Thank you. Let's see. Okay. I'd say super would be 90 cents to $1.12 is a good. But remember, if it doesn't hold this area, so you're gambling on the fact that it holds this area and still is bullish. If it doesn't hold, then we're probably going to come back down to these lows. So just FYI. But I would say 90 to $1.12, not financial advice, just my opinion. I have to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Are we back or no? Can you look at XLM? Thank you so much for the 2. I really appreciate that. Yeah, let's take a look at XLM. XLM. So XLM is actually at its 786. So XLM is doing very good right now. So from the high to the low, as long as XLM stays over 47 cents, you are going to get a continuation up to the previous high. And then I think it's $3.70. So let's see. Yeah, so $3.66, whatever, $3.70 around that area. So as long as XLM stays over 47 cents, it's very bullish. Keep in mind the last area, or the 382 absolutely needs to hold. Otherwise, we're going to get a bigger move down. So I know that's a really big move up from where it is at right now. So here are the targets that you just need to know. So I would say that if the 786 at 47 cents doesn't hold, then we are probably going to get a bigger move down. And at that point, 27 to 36 cents, which is a really big range, needs to hold. And if it does hold, then again, you're retesting 47 cents and then you're going up to 80 cents. And then from there, price discovery up to $3.67. No financial advice, just my opinion. So theoretically, if you sold half your bag now, just in case it goes back down, then you have to decide, okay, like now I can, with that 50%, I could, buy at 27 cents to 36 cents. And then, if it does, and you're gambling on the fact that it actually bounces from there, and then if it goes up, you know, you could sell at 47, 80, or let it ride over 80 cents up to $3.67. Whether it's $1.50, $2, you have to decide at what point you want to sell. That's pretty much it for XLM. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Are we back? Doesn't look like it. And thank you so much for the super chat. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Stellar Lumens. That is pretty cool. Let's look at all the coins again. So we're looking at Swift Coin still holding, Shapeshift Fox still holding. Green Satoshi is actually under its 236 now, so that's not good. Goldfinch is hanging on for dear life. Pangolin is also hanging on for dear life. Onyx Coin is looking pretty good. Spell Token looks like it wants to have a breakout right now, so that's good. Digibyte looks like it is struggling to get over its 236. Terra Luna Classic looks like it's trying to get over its 382, but unfortunately right now it's getting rejected at the current price levels. Same with ApeCoin. It looks like it's going down to it looks like it's getting stuck at the 236 at $1.25. Jasmy's looking solid as always. SHIBA INU is looking pretty good. Dogecoin needs to absolutely hold 41 cents. OXT sucks as always. I'm just joking. It doesn't suck. It's my coin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Whew. Man, this Bitcoin is stressful. So Eric, I actually just made a PNG video, so I actually have it up. Hold on, let me see. Well, let me see what Bitcoin's doing. Okay. So at PNG, taking a look at PNG, so nothing has really changed from the last time that we looked at it. Clearly, you can see that we have resistance at 23 to 30 cents. The worst case scenario, we break down it's 17 to 18 cents support. Once 30 cents does break, we are looking at retesting 83 to $1.51. We have resistance at that point. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just been doing the same thing over and over again for the last 3 months. And then I'd say Math token. Yeah, with Math, so from the high to the low, Math is hanging on to its 382. At any point, if we break below 28 cents, we probably will come back down. 15, 16 cents absolutely needs to hold at that point. And yeah, that's pretty much it. No financial advice, just my opinion. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? You can't go up there. Are we back? We might be back. It looks like we're getting a nice move up, but we'll see if it lasts. How much was that move down? Oh, like 1%. Wow. They're just stuck. I don't know if I should convert some to another player or just stay for alt season. Yeah, that's a question you're going to have to ask yourself. I have no idea. It's Seki. You want me to look at FET for you? I will take a look at it in a moment. Bought some Pepe. Let's go. What's up, Flip Coins? How are you doing? Is it a good time to buy Pepe in the short term? I don't know. You have to decide that on your own. For spell token, yeah, I don't know, because right now we're stuck in resistance, so it could go either way. So you got to do what's best for you. Not financial advice. I just made a video on Billy for you, Flip Coins. I'm gonna add it to the videos. Like, I'm gonna upload it because I did all my watch list videos, obviously. I'm gonna upload it, but if you need me to look at Billy, I will. And yeah, let me know whatever you want me to look at for you. And I got you. Taking a look at Artificial Superintelligence Alliance for the gentleman that's asking for it. So, not bad. Not bad graph at all. So from the high to the low, very bullish over the 382. As of right now, our next targets for FET are going to be, as long as it stays over the 382 at $1.29, we are looking at $1.19.250 and retesting 350. From there, I'd say to the moon. We have to look at the targets at a later time. If it does break below $1.29, then we are probably going to come back down to these lows. Not financial advice, just my opinion. What's up, Aaron? How are you? Yeah, so I already have XCN. This is exactly why I left it up. So XCN, we said that nothing has changed with XCN. We said that we are bearish under 2022. It looks like it's making its way up to 2022. Once that breaks, you're retesting the 382 at 2046, 47. So keep in mind that we can also hit both of those targets and still come back down to the lows, because that is still those are still very important key points that we need to break over and stay over. And then with any sort of breakdown, the last and next area of support for XCN is 201. So again, nothing has really changed. And then AIOZ. So taking a look at AIOZ. Yeah, so AIOZ, again, it's already had its monster run. It's already up like 80x. So we're getting stuck at the 786. Once that breaks, you're looking at $1.11 and then $2.36. Keep in mind with AIOZ, it absolutely needs to hold 62 to 61 cents. Otherwise, we are probably going to go back down to the lows down here at 30 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I'm good, thank you. Happy Saturday. I got maybe another 30-45 minutes. I have no idea. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here, but we're just gonna hang out. We're just gonna hang out. See what happens. Sup everyone? Can you look at Rose? Yes, I can. Let me look at Flipcoins coins first. Flipcoins wants used car. So taking a look at flip coins, did we get some sort of bounce? No. Damn, how is it that bearish? That's unfortunate. So with used car, we are sitting at 2076, which is support. So flip coins at this point, if this area doesn't hold, the next area of support for used car is going to be 2049. If we do hopefully get a bounce, I mean, like the RSI is closing up on the extremely oversold and the stock RSI is completely reset. So if we do get a bounce, hopefully it does put us back up to resistance. That way you can at least, sell some and make some profit at 118%. But again, keep in mind it's still bearish if it gets stuck here, and we'd be maintaining this downtrend. So if this area of support doesn't hold, you're looking at 20.49 being the next area of support. And then again, once we break this box, then you're looking at 3 cents, 7 cents, 18 cents. And then as we said before with Billy, unfortunately Billy's also breaking down. So with Billy, very simple. It needs to stay over 2 cents 90. 10 cents is in play, 12 cents 95, and then 23 cents, and from there $1.23. Very simple. Now financial advice, just my opinion. And then you got a couple other coins. Let me know what other coins you want me to look at for you. Let's see. Taking a look at Rose. Yeah, Rose had a nice move. Taking a look at Rose on the macro time frame. So, yeah, but Rose got rejected at 382. So just keep in mind, no bull run until we break over 10 cents. Once we break over 10 cents, clearly we have little to no resistance, I would say, until 18 to 19 cents, which does put us back up to this local high. And then in terms of it needing to stay over any levels, it would be the 236. So if at any point, if it breaks below 6 cents 60, then it is going to be bearish, and we are going to go back down to the lows. Keep in mind, once 10 cents breaks, then you are looking at little to no resistance to 18 to 19 cents, around that area. Myro, taking a look at Myro. Taking a look at Myro for flip coins. So, yeah, so Myro, unfortunately, nothing has changed. Our graph is still valid. So we have a resistance at 9 cents 40 to 12 cents. We're at 11 cents 80. So as long as we stay over 9 cents 40, then theoretically we'd be consolidating in resistance. Once we break 12.54, then we're looking at 20 cents, 29 cents, 46 cents, and so on. Keep in mind, if we do break below 9 cents, then this previous low needs to hold. Otherwise, we are going to get a bigger capitulation and come back down to the February lows. Not saying that's going to happen, but just keep in mind these are the targets. Now, financial advice, just my opinion. Night Stalker for 2. Thank you. Thanks. You're welcome. And thank you. I really appreciate the 2. That's awesome. Thank you so much for that. Can you take a look at Algorand? Yes, I can. Wait, I already looked at Algorand, but I guess I can look at it again. Taking a look at Algo. So we said that I think we got stuck at the 382 again, right? Yeah, so it looks like we smacked against the 382 again. So very simple for Algorand, for Alderon. So it needs to break over 32 cents to be macro bullish. Once that breaks, we're looking at 49 cents. At any point, if we do get a capitulation or if we get a breakdown, it needs to stay over 19 cents. If it doesn't, we're going to go back down to the lows. But if it does, then you'd still be above the 236 on the macro time frame, and then hopefully we consolidate in resistance and then break out, and then same thing is in play. 32 cents needs to break, 49 cents is next. Non-financial advice, just my opinion. Flip coins for 10. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Thank you. And let me know if you want me to look at any other coins. You could literally give me like 100 coins to look at. I'll look at it for you. So just let me know what you want me to look at for you. And that's pretty much it for Algo. Bitcoin. Oh, we're back. Bitcoin's back. BTC's back. BTC to the moon. In Flipcoin, just keep in mind, I added Billy. I make weekly videos on Billy because that's the coin that you want, so I added it to my watch list. But at any point, if you want me to switch it to another one of your coins, just let me know and I could take that off my watch list, and then I could add another one to my watch list, like whatever coin you might have that like you're more invested in or whatever, or like more, you know. But just remember, because you're a member, you get one coin, and every single Saturday, for the most part, I make videos on it and then I upload it. So if you want like whatever video you want me to post on my channel, just let me know, because you're a member, and that's the perks of being a member. Right now it's Billy, so if you want me to change it, just let me know. I don't know if you know that, but I just want to let you know that. Can you take a look at Avio? What is that, like a TV brand? Avo. Taking a look at Avo. Yeah, so Gamble Coin, obviously. From the high to the low, nothing's bullish with Avo until we break 50 cents and then 74 cents. So bearish under 50 cents, no bull run until we break over and stay over 74 cents. Meaning that we can't come all the way back up and still get rejected. So just keep that in mind. As of today, that is around a 83% pump. So very simple. If this isn't floored, then we are probably going to go make a lower low. But again, as long as it stays over this floor at 27 cents, then you're just looking at consolidation between the all-time low and the 236. No financial advice, just my opinion. I guess it's not a gamble coin because it's 357 million, but did they release coins? Yeah, they did. So you can see they diluted the market, because here the price was $2 and the market cap was like 330 million, and now the market cap is 350 million and it's 40 cents. So not good. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm just looking at just Bitcoin. Just do it. Just capitulate. That's all. That's all Bitcoin has to do, is just capitulate. Just get it over with. Put us out of our misery. Wojak to new highs soon. Kaspa. So there's nothing really new to look at Kaspa. There's really nothing new for Kaspa. So Kaspa is literally just 50. Like, yeah, there's nothing new for Kaspa. So we're looking at previous all-time high and then up to 29 cents. So very simple. As of right now, you're looking at, or 33 cents, 21 cents, 33 cents. And then as long as it stays over 236382, which as of right now is over 14 cents, it is still bullish. 21 cents is in play, then 33 cents. No financial advice. And then Wojak. I haven't looked at Wojak in a while. Taking a look at Wojak. So yeah, so actually I need to update my chart. So at this point, we need to break this resistance. So at this point, it broke through resistance and it actually smacked to our previous all-time high. So congratulations. As of right now, we're looking at 204 and then 2 cents 23. Sorry, 32. So you're looking at up to another 10x from there, which is going to put the market cap at around 1.2 billion. So keep in mind with Wojak, as long as it stays over the 382236, it is still bullish. Well, technically, yeah, we're just gonna do that. So as long as it stays over this box, then everything is still valid. Yeah, not financial advice, just my opinion. With Binance 50 cents, who knows? If it gets enough volume, then I'd say yes. If it doesn't, then I don't know. Yeah, so we just looked at Kaspa. Oh. Yo Meow, can you take a look at Kango on Kango on Kaspa? It's on CoinGecko. Last chance to buy it, in my honest opinion. Yeah, but I tried to look at it last time and I couldn't find it. Kango. Kango. There's Kango on Sol, Kango on Ethereum, Kango on Sol. Yeah, there's no Kango on Kaspa. I can't find it. Kango Sol, Kango Sol, Kango Sol. Yeah, I can't find it. At this point, got to just hold and hope for used car and Billy. Yeah, I mean they're closing it. They're closing in on their So like, to give you some hopium. So like these coins, first of all, used car has insane liquidity. So that's crazy. So for used car, it's coming up on being extremely oversold. So there's only so much more selling pressure. Unfortunately, I think with enough selling pressure, though, to put the RSI in the red, it could theoretically take it down to 2049. But then you're going to get a nice bounce from there because again, the RSI is going to be in the red and extremely oversold. And then same with Billy. I mean, there's only so much more selling pressure with Billy. Actually, there's a little bit more selling pressure with Billy because the RSI is not quite as low as used car. But again, we are lower than the 50% mark, and the stock RSI is completely reset. So hopefully we do get some sort of bounce relatively soon. So I hope so for you. Let's see. Turbo. Updating my turbo chart. Yeah, so turbo, we got rejected at the box. So as long as it stays over 207, we are looking at resistance at 2083, followed by 209. Once that breaks, you're looking at 1 cent 30, and then you're looking at up to 2 cents. And as of today, that is around a 160% pump. Keep in mind that if it does break below 207, little to no support up down to 2058. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Did you look at ALU? No. Did you ask me to? Because I did not, but I can take a look at it for you if you want. So taking a look at ALU. Yeah, so ALU is very bullish right now. It's over its macro 382. It looks like retesting 11 cents is in play, and then 786 at 22 cents. Keep in mind with ALU, as long as it stays over 4 cents 80 and 6 cents 10, you are looking at the targets on the way up. So you're looking at 11 cents and then 22 cents. At any point, if it falls below 6 and 4, then you're probably going to come back down to these lows. So good luck. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Alrighty. We could just watch OXT. Go to 0. Hold on. I've been sitting for like 2 hours. I need to stretch a little bit. I don't know how some people do it. Sit down for like 5 hours at a time. Hold on. I'm actually going to go get some more water, so. Yes, sir. Don't do it. Check out. He wants to be a star. He wants to... See, he believes in OXT. Bullish on Parade, what's up? We need some luck in this market. Yeah, I need some luck in this market. Or, I mean, I guess technically we all need luck in this market, but... Bitcoin's not doing bad, you know? We thought we were going to go all the way down, but I guess we didn't. Yeah, I'd say... How funny is this? I'm doing TA on the 1 minute, so... Alright, let's see if this actually comes to play. Curious to see. Alright, so... If this is the top, This needs to hold, otherwise we're going to make a lower low, and we're looking at 96,950. So how funny would that be if it actually came true? Seller network bullish yet? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look at some gaming coins. Star Atlas. Yeah, so Star Atlas isn't really moving, but I can take a look at it for you. So, or let's look at seller network. Is seller bullish? That's a good question. Let's see. Yeah, so seller network's bullish over 1.5 cents. So it looks like 0.5 is next, and then you're looking at 2 cents 20, 2 cents 80, 3 cents 39, and then you're looking at up to 10 cents. So what is that? Yeah, that's around a 5x. So not bad for seller network. And then support, yeah, little, again, we really need to, I guess support would be, I don't even know if this is the right graph. Yeah, so I'd say as long as it stays over 1.5 cents, then you're looking at 18, 2 cents 20, 2 cents 80, 3 cents 90, and then up to 10 cents. But I don't know if that's the macro graph, is it? No, it isn't. Okay, so hold on, let me see. Just erase what I just said, because that's like on the shorter time frame. I need to find the bigger graph. There we go. Okay, so is seller bullish? It's attempting to be. You can clearly see we're attempting to break the 236. So it's bearish under 1 cent 65, which it's literally at right now. Once that breaks, you're looking at 2 cents 80. And then keep in mind, if we don't break the 236, then we're probably going to come back down. I don't know how low we're going to go, but we're going to come back down. So no financial advice, just my opinion. Oh no. Alrighty, so yeah, so that's what I think about seller. BitDAO breaking. Looks like it. I mean, it's attempting to. I don't know if it is, but it's attempting to. Let's take a look at Star Atlas for the gentleman who wants to look at the gaming coins. Yeah, so Star Atlas isn't bullish at all right now, unless it's over its. Unless I'm wrong and it's over its 236. From the high to the low, yeah, it's not. So nothing's bullish with Star Atlas until we break 2044. Keep in mind that it is bearish until we break that area. You're looking at little to no resistance to the 382, which just put you around 9 cent 36. So again, bearish under 2044. No bull run for Star Atlas until we break over and stay over 2093. Not financial advice, just my opinion. 3%, wow, it's not bad. Doge's holding up pretty well. It's not bad. Looks like it's being bought back. That's pretty good. Got a nice bag in case you know. Yeah, I hope so. Goldfinch is moving. What, on like the 1 minute chart? Yeah, Goldfinch is actually in resistance at this point. It's over 155, so not bad. So we've been live for a little bit. So we've been live for about 2 hours now. I think that's pretty good. I think I'm gonna head out in like 10 minutes. I have to edit all the videos I made on the stream. So all these videos on the stream, and then upload them. So which is gonna take another like 30 minutes to an hour. Or I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but yeah, I'd say like 30 minutes to an hour. So yeah, we'll take a look at a couple more coins. Thank you everybody that came and stopped by, and again, thank you for all the super chats. Let's take a couple more coins, and we can call it a day. And have a great Saturday, and have it's a beautiful day. Hopefully, it's a beautiful day where you guys are. And yeah, let's take a look at Teller for Buddy Crush. So taking a look at Teller. Yeah, Teller had a massive move up. Okay, so I guess from the high to the low, nothing's bullish with Teller until we break over $79. And you're looking at resistance and no bull run until we break $118. I guess keep in mind for for Teller. Yeah, 618 is still area of support. So I'd say if it breaks below $45 at any point, we're probably going to get a huge capitulation down. But again, as of right now, based on the trajectory, it is looking like retesting the 236 at $79. And then once $1.18 breaks, I say Teller to the moon, and you're probably going to go back up to the highs. But we'll just keep monitoring it from there, and we'll just take it from there. So not financial advice, just my opinion. And yeah, that's what I think about Teller. Oh damn, are we bearish again? Literally, if this graph comes true, I'm going to buy myself a lottery ticket. And I never do. I'd rather buy scratchers, but I'm going to actually buy a lottery ticket because I never do. Good stream until next time. Yeah, thanks, Jonas. I appreciate you stopping by. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Probably going to get a huge breakdown. OXT, maybe next time. Maybe next month. I guess, yeah, on the hourly, it's not, yeah. It's not good. This is my first time here. I really enjoyed your stream. Yeah, I've never seen you type. Hey, if you need me to look at any of your coins, let me know, and I will. Yeah, this is your first time here, so let me know what coins you're holding, and I could take a quick look at them for you, and we can look at your targets, so that way you're not constantly like looking at your phone. You just know like, hey, if it's over this area, then it's bullish, and if it's not, then it's bearish. And then yeah, off to the gym to work off my funk. Yeah, hey, have fun. Hit that chest and triceps for me. I just did biceps and back, so And yeah, hey, no, thank you for everything, man. I really appreciate it, and thank you for always coming in here and super chatting. I really do appreciate that. That's awesome. Shadow Frost, I'm surprised you're not watching Vision. Yeah, it's because I live streamed early because I didn't think he was gonna live stream early, so that I could watch him. But I wasn't gonna. I saw him go live, and I'm like, well, that kind of defeated the whole purpose. If I knew that, then I would have live streamed later. But at this point, I mean, I'm gonna go watch him now in like 5 minutes when I get off of here, and when I go edit my videos, I'm just gonna throw his live stream up. But yeah, I mean, I wasn't gonna stop live streaming just because he went live, because like I was like, oh, I'm gonna live stream at 8 a.m. instead of 10, because that way I can, you know, by the time he goes live stream, which is usually around like 10, 11 my time, I'll be done. But whatever, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's not the end of the world. He live streams for like hours upon hours anyway, so. Anyway, with that being said, I think that's everyone's coins. MB Trucker 68, thank you so much for coming by. And again, next time, feel free to always ask for your coins to be looked at. I will definitely look at them for you. And yeah, and no worries. If not, you could just hang out. We could just talk about Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, and hopefully we can all make money. See, unfortunately, my coin looks like it's capitulating down. Bitcoin looks like it's about to fall off the fall off the fall off the table, I guess. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, thanks everybody that stopped by. Thank you to everyone that stopped by for the live stream. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the support. And thank you for all the super chats. I really do appreciate it. I will be live streaming again tomorrow at around, I guess it would be same time-ish, like 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. I really don't know at what point I'm going to live stream tomorrow. But I am. So feel free to stop by. And we'll take a look at your coins and do what we do best. So thank you so much. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just for entertainment purposes. This is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Have a great Saturday. And I don't have an outro, so as you know, I have to listen. None of this is financial advice. It is all just for entertainment purposes. This is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. Have a great Saturday. And I don't have an outro, so as you know, I have to listen. There we go.